and also align with the Saudi Vision 2030 that we have just talked about, and the Gulf's wider digital transformation. Now, given Saudi Arabia's very ambitious 2030 vision and diversifying the economy and also the opportunities here in the kingdom, where exactly does a company like Tencent leverage the business opportunities given the kingdom's economic priorities?
Thank you, Martina. Thank you for having me here at LEAP 2024. As you know, Saudi Arabia is the kingdom is a fast-growing economic hub in the region, and we are very excited to participate and to invest in the region. And we are definitely seeing a lot of opportunities in the kingdom, especially establish itself as a regional digital launchpad. So with very key economic policy as well as favorable economic conditions that make the kingdom a very desirable destination. And technology companies, global technology companies like Tencent is well positioned, and at the same time can play a very important role in the development of digital ecosystems for the benefit of the local residents as well as the local businesses. It's an exciting time.